Mr. Bennett, again. Alright, what are my people? What are my people? PEP people, where are you? PEP people, where are you? Here we go. You guys have the hardest exam in the whole entire world, so I hope you join me for this live. It's like clean money, clean. Big up Tafari, my neighbor. There. Yeah? Alright, peeps. So we're going to look at area. Not going to be a very long video. But you know the ships go already. We have to do what we have to do. Oh, by the way, guys, big up 2.5, 2.5, what do you call that? 2.5K, yeah? Subscribers. You know how we are going hard, right? Alright, guys. So, pep peeps, what is area? Now, area is defined as the number of square units it takes to cover a surface. However, it must be enclosed, meaning all the lines, they must be joined. Alright? So if it stay like this, it's not enclosed. It must be enclosed. So let me join it up. Alright. And the square is basically a four-sided figure with all four sides equal in length, and this is 90 degrees, right? We're not get too technical. So what it means, how many of these would cover a 5 by 3, right? So just imagine you're taking these and putting in the slot. 1, 2, you understand? Alright. So let us examine how we can do that. Alright, guys? So it's very easy. Now this is 5 centimeter going across. So what we're going to be doing is to ensure that we have 5 going across. Let's go. 1, 2. So that's 1, 2, 3. One more. Alright. They're not evenly though. And then 5, 3 go down, right? So we're going to divide by 3. So 1. They're not equal, you know. That's how it should, because a board. Alright. So let's go. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me say for 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? So it means that if it's 5 by 3, it will take 15 of these square units. Each side measuring 1 centimeter, it will take 15 of those to cover the surface. Alright? So this, guys, is a rectangle, right? Opposite sides are equal. So that's why they come up with a better way and them say, listen, instead of doing it, suppose it was a 10 by say 400. It will take us a very long time to draw up 10 and 400, right? So they come up with something and say 5 times 3, because that is the same thing as 15. So the length, so this is the length, and this is called the width. And if you notice, opposite sides are equal, right? So the formula for the area of a rectangle is length times width. Because if we should multiply 5 times 3, we get the same thing as this, right? So it will be 5 centimeter times 3 centimeter. And that is equal to 15 centimeters square. What it means, it will take 15 of these to cover this surface of a 5 by 3. Alright, let us look at this one now. This one has length 4 centimeters and this one 4 centimeters. So let us try and see if we can get the answer. All the way. Alright, so it's 4 by 4. So let's go. 1, 2, 4, right? So let's 4 go across now. Down 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's count to see how many square units it takes to cover this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright, so it will take 16 of these 1 centimeter square to cover a surface. This is basically a square, right? A square has all sides equal. So this one is a rectangle. While this one is a square. Now let us talk about the difference between a rectangle and a square, just by looking at them. So the rectangle, based on what I'm seeing, the rectangle has 2 long sides equal. Because look, this side is 5 and this side is 5. And 2 short sides equal. So this is 3 and this is 3. But with the square, this side is 4, this is 4, this is 4, and this is also 4. So with the square, all sides are equal. So that's the difference between a rectangle and a square. Alright, so let us examine another one. Could we have said 4 times 4? 4, 16 centimeter square. Alright, this will have centimeter, this will have centimeter, right? So with all sides equal, you can just say square. So that is why they say area of a square. Because remember, all sides are always going to be equal. So we can just square it, meaning the number multiplied by itself, right? Is equal to side square. Because if this side is 5, this is also going to be 5. And we can just multiply 5 times 5, which is the same thing as 5 squared. Alright, let us do some more and see. This is not going to be a very long line, but I don't know. These are very important topics, especially to the PEP. For the persons working on the worksheet, I hope this will help you. You guys put this in the comment section now, in the chat. For even one person on the live, put this in the chat, alright? So the length is 6 centimeters and the width is 4 centimeters. Go ahead and put that in the chat. Alright, so if the area for a rectangle is length times the width, right? And we had established that earlier, how we get the length times the width. This goes up to C-sec level, PEP, C-sec, and city angles, alright? So pay attention. So this is our length, and this is our width. You know what? We're gonna do it the hard way, just to see if it works. So this side, 6, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of uneven, and then 4. So that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count to see how many we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Everyone can count, right? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So if we were to multiply 6 times 4, I wonder what we have gotten. Alright? So 6 times 4, let's see. 6 times 4 is 24. So the shortcut way works every time. Alright? Let's look at a square now. Let's say we add a square . 6 centimeter. If this is 6, this side will be what? Also 6. Because with a square, all 4 sides are equal. Alright? All 4 sides are equal. So let's us cut it up. Should we cut it up in 6? Or just do it the other way? So area of a square is equal to side square. So it will be 6, which is 36. I'm gonna leave some with you guys to do. I had a very long day, I had a meeting and all of that, but still I'm here trying to help people. Alright? It's Mr. Bennett style now. Yeah. So you guys gonna do these for your homework. Remember guys, what you put in is that you get out. If you put in 0, you get out 0. So try on your own. I had a very long day, peeps, but I don't know. No, do this for the money nor the fame, you know. I do this to help people, alright? Well, those who want the help, not everyone will want it. So this is 7 centimeters, this is 3, and this is 5 centimeters. Next time we're going to be looking at the right angle triangle, area of the right angle triangle. Alright, so everybody big up himself, leave that in the comment section. This is Mr. Bennett, I'm out, no doubt.